Muhammad Ali's Thrilla and Manila shorts are up for auction. Ano kayang naging usapan nila on PM, on public? Yung shorts that was worn by Muhammad Ali in his legendary Thrilla and Manila boxing match are up for grabs dun sa Sotheby's in New York as part of a growing sports memorabilia. And the bids, including the latest, nasa $3.8 million.
Maliit pa yan, Denise.
Oo.
Kung ako bilyonaryo, bibiling ko yan. Kasi yung Thrilla in Manila is very historic on many levels.
Yes.
Okay, ito yung third part nung meron kasing seryeng match-up nila ni Joe Frazier. No? Ito yung third. At ginanap yan, walang iba of course, sa Araneta Coliseum. Okay, October 1975, and the Marcos government spent millions and millions para ipakita, kasi parang, okay, mga third year na ng martial, para ipakita sa buong mundo na, uy, okay naman kami dito, anong sinasabi niyong dictatorship, eklat-eklat. Yun, so, pero isipin mo, Denise, noong panahon na yun, 15 rounds ang boxing matches. At the 14th round, pinatigil nung ang tawag doon, ng corner ni Frazier, yung laban. Kasi wala na, durug-durug na yung mata ni... Pero sabi ni Muhammad Ali, that is the closest I ever got to death, yung laban na yan. Tindi.
Tignan natin kung gaano pa katindi yung magiging bids again at $3.8 million as of the moment.
Pero noong 2006, nagkaroon ng attempt at Thrilla in Manila 2, featuring Manny Pacquiao and some Mexican dude na pinalo. Wala nakakaalala nun, sorry.
Okay, the auction is still up for the pair of shorts hanggang April 12.
$3.8 million?
$3.8 million na as of the moment. So there's 1 week to go. Kaya malamang in a week.
You think they take cards?
Ilan ang ipapagawa mo?
Sa kamuning.